Hi guys! It's Aldous Peach, ang kitty boy ng buhay nyo. So ngayon, nagbabalik tayo ulit sa Conservation Quest, Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So ito ay episode 2 na, and of course, hindi ko ni-record kanina yung nakuha ko yung nakuha ko yung certificate ng paghahanap sa mga woodland. So sorry don. Pero this time is episode 2 na tayo. So, ngayon tayo ngayon sa conservation code. Which is, ang ganda. Look at this. Sheesh. Oh? Uy, si Dottie. Si Dottie andito. Hi, Dottie. Yan. Tara, sundan natin siya. Hello, young designer. Today you're going to learn about making eye-catching posters that spread an important message. Posters are like messengers helping us tell everyone how to take care of nature and each other. Oh, okay. As your wish, Dottie. So, ngayon is magagawa tayo ng design. Let's learn about the title and subtitle. The title should be big and clear. It tells everyone what the poster is about. The subtitle can be a bit smaller but still easy to read. It adds more details. Oh, okay. So, mission natin dito is, or quest natin dito is gumawa ng iPatch Designer Poster. Kung tamang pagbigkas ko. Basta, yun ang mission natin ngayon dito. So, yes, let's go. Sundan lang natin si Dottie. Wow! The background image you choose is crucial for setting the mood. Consider the impact you want to create. Use bold images that emphasize your message. Remember, it's not just about making something pretty. It's about telling a story. Okay. Okay. Thank you sa sinabi mo, Dottie. Okay. Framing your poster is like creating a window into your message. Imagine your poster is divided into sections, like a puzzle. This careful arrangement guides the viewer's eyes and helps them understand your message clearly. Okay? Wala pa. Ginaguide ako ni Dottie ha. Tinuturo ako dito. Hi po. Nakikiran lang po. Uy, babae. Hi ate. These steps will help you create a poster that spreads an important message. Talk to the wood sprites to learn about their research. In the conservation code. Ayun, conservation code. Yeah. Ha? Conservation code pala yung lugar natin. This will help you make a powerful message and then use the design studio to create your own work of art. Okay. Ay, sorry ate. Sorry po ate. Sorry po. Tapos, ano ba? Ito na? Wait, di pa. Design Studio. Wow! Design Studio. So, ito siya. Ay, hindi. Ito. Okay. Hindi pala siya. So, dalang natin si Dottie. Okay. Dottie, asan ka na? Nawala ka, tay. Nawala nga. Kausapin natin to. Designer Dave, how to design your poster. First step, step onto the raised area. Step 2, select your elements by clicking on the buttons. Step 3, when you're happy with your design and want to display it in the park, select display below. Step 4. And step 4, you can also get the teacher to print a copy for you. Click on print poster below. Okay. So, wow. Gagawa tayo ng design. Design. Title. Plan your adventure. Ito na po. Nakahinta title ko. When you're happy with your design, speak to the designer. Okay. Ano po? Ay. Display poster lang. Wait lang. Kailangan ko palitan. Plan your adventure. Okay, select tayo dito. Eto. Ito. Ay! Wala. Okay. Pwede na siguro yan. Sige, display na natin. Ay, wait lang. Kailangan pa natin lagyan ng background. Background. Saan ko nakikita? Ito ba? Ito ba? Ito eh. Wait lang. Nahirap tong question na to. Makikita na may papakita natin ang talento natin sa pag-art dito sa question na to. Hindi pa naman magaling. Subtitle. Sige. Know the way. Wow. Wow. Basta yun. Yan, display na natin sa kanya. Hello po. Display ko na yung poster ko. Yun lang. Display. Yes. Wow! Ang bilis! Ang bilis! Wow! Yun lang pala. Okay, thank you po. So, natapos natin yung question mga kaibigan. Question na po tayo. Balik na tayo sa school. Balik na tayo sa school. Okay, let's go! Certificate pala. So, tingnan natin. Diba? Oh! Diba? Diba? Complete. So, ito yon. Ito yung kinuha ko earlier. Hindi ko pinakita sa inyo na quest complete. Pero bawi ako next time. Pero nakita nyo naman yung diba? Yung nakita nyong success, diba? Ito yon. Ito na. Dalawa na natin certificates. Okay. Next po tayo. Saan to? Conservation code. Teka. Woodland. Ito. Aquatic adventure. Let's go. Quest 3. Quest 3. Bilis to kanina. Grabe. Hindi ako napagod. Hindi lang ako napagod.
Yabang-yabang nito.
Ito na yung quest 3 natin. Uy, dilim. Ang dilim, boss. Wala makita. Ayun. Hello there. I'm the hydrologist. My name is Acela. I'm a water sprite. I live in clean freshwater habitats. Daughter will guide you to me. Please follow her. Okay po. Hi, Dottie. Natapos ko yung pangalawang quest natin, Dottie. Dahil sa'yo. Water is a vital part of the park. It is a precious resource for the plants, animals, and people who live, work in, and visit the area. Okay. Dottie! Dottie! The cleaner the water, the longer the food chain. So we must follow the conservation code and avoid pollution from chemicals and litter. This helps to protect the quality of the water. Okay. Uy, si Jigsi. Ay. Sa ate Jigsi. Medyo ko lang. Alpha Kokak. By leaving nothing behind but our footprints and taking nothing with us but memories, we can help keep the park healthy and happy. Over two-thirds of Earth is covered in water, but have you ever wondered where it comes from? I don't know. But don't worry. Matapos lang ang quest mo, okay na. Did you know the water never leaves Earth? Yes, I know it. Kasama siya sa environment. Tsaka sa disaster. At climate change natin dito. It just moves around from streams, rivers, lakes, and oceans to clouds, and rain and back again. This is called the water cycle. Water cycle, as usual. Kasama sa climate change yan, water cycle. Siyempre. Okay, eto siya. Ayun na siya. Malapit na tayo. Let's go! Meow! Ayun na siya. When the sun shines, water becomes a gas known as water vapor. This process is called evaporation. Wow, evaporation. But rather than me telling you about it, why don't I show you? Oo nga, bakit ayaw mo ipakita sa akin? Bakit ba? Tara na, Doti. Doti naman, bagal. Ito na po siya. Hello? Ikaw ba si Sino to? Basta, ikaw ba si Water Sprite? Ha? Basta, siya ba yun? Si Asela pala. Sorry po. Akala ko Water Sprite kay. Hello! Finally, we finally meet. Press the evaporate button to experience the water cycle for yourself. The aquatic adventure is part of your training. Remember to improve your score by speaking to others to learn what they know. Evaporate. Wow! Wow! Loh, lumilipad ako. I believe I can fly. Ano, 7 na ba tayo? Wow! Wow! 7 na ba talaga to? Hello? Ayok, malikan. Welcome to the cloud. Oh, cloud, okay. Not the kind you have on your computer. This is a real cloud, and now you are part of it, traveling across the atmosphere until you cool down and condense. When that happens, you will fall back down to earth in the form of a water droplet, hail, or snow. Oh, okay. Wow! Nasa heaven na tayo! Nasa heaven na tayo! Oops. Wow, di ako nakuhulog ah. Hangas. You need to speak to 3 vapor. Oh, okay. Hi po. The great thing about condensing is you never know where you will end up. Coming back as a puddle wasn't very fun. Last time, I hope the wind blows me somewhere more exciting. A lake would do me nicely. Wow, a curious rain monolith has appeared. Wow, become a rain. Pwede yan. Pwede maging rain. Grabe. Sige, may yan. Ito pa, meron pa dun. Ano to, invisible na ano? Na lalakaran. Hindi, joke lang. Oh, ito siya. Okay. Ano po ang sa inyo? I've been rain before, and once I was even sleet. I quite fancy trying out being snow this time. That looks fun. Floating around, being a snowflake. Wow, a curious snow monolith has appeared. Wow! Oh my jeez! Last na lang. Ito ba? Opo. Kaya ano po sa inyo? I'm so cool. I'm condensing. It's been fun hanging around in the cloud. But I am ready to return to Earth. Maybe I'll be held this time. Wow! And ano? Ano next? Wala na? Become healed. Become healed. Okay. Ano to? Sira. May sira ba to? For real? Oo, may sira. So, siguro, maging snow ba tayo o hill? Hindi ko din alam eh. Kung ako ang pagpipiliin, ang gusto ko maging is hail. Ganun kasi, alam niyo na, masarap kapag may natamaan kang tao. Hindi, joke lang, joke lang po. Hindi, or ulan ang gusto ko. You are ready to condense. Select if you want to condense as rain, hail, or snow by pressing the relevant button. Then jump down the hole in the cloud to continue your adventure. Kung ako ang tatanungin, maybe hangin ay ulan or hangin or snow. Wait lang, pipili pa ako. So, ang gusto kong maging hill. Bakit naman? Mas safe kapag ulan. Okay. Become snow. I know. Na lang tayo. Ulan. Tara. Let's go. You have become a rain. Okay. Baba na po tayo. Dito. Kasi maganda kapag walang ulan. Kaya sa yellow. Wee! I'm a rain. Wee! Tubig. Wow, jeez. Sheesh. Uy! Ito. Hi po. Alpa kukak. Yan lang. Thanks for dropping in. I'm Buffy. The ecologist. Welcome to the cow pound. Would you like some lunch? Unless, of course, you are lunch. What? What? In the compound. I'm afraid it's either eat or be eaten. But this natural balance makes it a splendid place to live. Let's go to the food chain and you can see where you fit on the menu. Take the stairs behind me to start your journey on the food chain. The first thing The menu will be algae and plants. Bon appetite. Hey. Wow, ganda ah. Ito. Uy, may ender egg. May ender egg. May ender egg. May ender dragon egg. Baba na tayo. Let's go. Wow! Ito. Whee! Wow. Wow. Yay! Puching. Whee! Whee! Dito. Ay, wait lang. Dito. Wow! Uy, ang ganda! Ang ganda nito. My goodness. Oh my jeez! Napaganda ng lugar na to. Talagang W to. Talagang W to, guys. Talagang W. Ganda, oh. Hey! Hi po. Ako po yung babagsak sa langit. Restaurant rating. Ang i-rate ko dito sa restaurant nyo is... Diba? Or order 3. Restaurant rating. Ang i-rate ko dito sa restaurant nyo 5. Ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda ng ang ganda ng, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa legit ng restaurant nyo. Order 4. Wow. Okay. Okay. Wait. Ito? Incorrect order din. Ba to? Yup. Galing. Okay, so try natin siguro etong 3. Order number 3. Yun ba yun? Yun ba yun? Yun ba yun? Baka ito last. Try natin ah. Incorrect. Pwedeng i-lahat na lang. Bayad. Daya. Grabe. Daya. Okay, so... masubukan talaga ang talas ng pag-iisip natin dito, guys. May puzzle. Legit. Okay. May puzzle sila. Grabe. Grabe kayo. May puzzle kayo. May na pa ako sa puzzle. Okay, wait. Nang kising namamaglag mga kaibigan. Ito talaga yan, nagalag. Kapag nag-record ako. So, like ko nga to. Ito. Di rin? Okay. Nasubukan pagkataas pag-isip natin dito, guys, ah. Okay. Tara na. Ang ganda, my goodness. Nakaka bugs in the area. Oh, may bugs, really. Wow. Ang lagi, no? Ganyan talaga. Oh. Whee! Lo. Yung katabag. Lah, kukunin pala yun. Lang. Sige. Hello. Got it. Ano pa? Dami. Enjoy ako dito. Nanapak ng insekto eh. Please. Nanapak ng insekto. Ako ay nananapak ng insekto, mga kaibigan. Got it. Nanapak ng insekto eh. Okay. Nanapak tayo ng insekto, mga kaibigan. Aya. Hindi lang. Okay, ito. Got it. Sabi. Oh, may slime na. May slime na. Slime. Snail na naman. Seryoso. Labas. Madami sila. My goodness. Wow. Ito. Ay, wow. Sorry sorry boss. Hindi ko maano eh. Hindi ko mapatay lahat eh. Madami. Lalo eh. Okay. Ano gagawin ko dito? Wait lang. Si Dottie, saan? Hindi ko nakikita si Dottie. Nangiiwan nata, ayan. Nangiiwan. Nangiiwan ka, Dottie. Tandaan mo yan. Ay, well, anyways, ito ko muna i-end ng episode 2 natin. Kasi di ko alam kung ano gagawin ko dito. Pero tatry natin tapusin to ulit. Part 2. Part 2 ng episode 2 namin. Episode 2 na to. Kung gagawin ko pa ng part 2. Basta. Dito ko muna i-end ang record ko for today. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell na all para maging updated pa kayo sa aking YouTube channel na Aldous PH Vlog. So, abangan nyo po ang episode 3. Kung mag-episode 3 pa ako. Ito conservation quest na to. Subukan ko tapusin to without recording. Itong episode, yung dito sa restaurant. So, try ko siyang tapusin without recording. dito sa restaurant na to. So, abangan niyo po yung episode 3. Okay? Okay po. So, kumbaga, pag natapos ko tong restaurant, mag-ano ako na episode 3 nito. So, nakita niyo naman na kompleto ko yung dalawang quest, which is tatlong quest. Oh, which is yung isa doon, which is yung wood, tsaka yung convection code. Dalawa lang pala. Ito ating pangatlo, hindi ko pa natatapos. So, abangan niyo po ang episode 3. Tatapusin ko to without recording tong restaurant. So, okay, nulit ko. Pero, sana nag-enjoy kayo, hopefully. So, yun lang guys. God bless, stay safe, and see you guys to the next episode. And, the next one. So, subscribe na rin kayo at mag-like. So, yun lang guys. Ang dami ko nang sinabi. Bye-bye po. Abangan niyo po yung episode 3 Bye-bye.